This is $1 million opportunity. Now, it doesn't matter where you live, what you do, what your job role is, as long as you know the basic fundamentals of developing an application and deploying it. That is all you need to know. Now, if you're a technical person or a non-technical person, that also doesn't matter now. And this opportunity is so huge, it is hiding in the plain sight in your local cities. In 2024 alone, we saw thousands of startups going out of business because they were chasing valuation, investors' money, burning down capital. But my friend, the good old business is developed on customers' revenue and profit. I will tell you 3-step process that will help you generate a business for yourself in the city that you live in the city that you work in, and you can work it out as a side hustle or even start out as a founder. Before diving in, if you think the business is not for you, or if you just want the promotion in your current company as an engineer or start out as an independent consultant like me, I also train engineers twice a month on Sundays, where I help them learn the common patterns of the industry and learn the 10% skill that will help them stand out in their current company. Moreover, in the past 6 months, we have trained hundreds of engineers, even from companies like Google, Microsoft. So I'll suggest that you check out this page. Let's dive into the 3-step process of the $1 million opportunity. Step number 1, think local, not global. In every city, wherever you live, just think about it. Every city has a lot of market, retail, distribution, real estate, textile. A lot of market is just around you. Every other shop or institution or enterprise is using the same old softwares. The same old softwares built for regional compatibility. They do not have anything related to AI in that. Now think analytics, comprehension. What does a business owner want? They want analytics, faster results, faster comprehension on their devices. Let's say I have 1 lakh orders in a day. I want to know something specific of a particular order. How in God's name I would know that what's going on with that specific order? Now just imagining attaching AI or LLM with analytics towards their platform, so you do not need to even have the database. They have the database. You need to give them some sort of analytics, quick responses, quick and easiness into their business. So find the biggest market in your industry and look for the biggest player who is supplying them softwares. Try to integrate with them. That is your step number 1. Even if not the biggest market, second biggest market, third biggest market, or somebody you know, somebody, if your dad is working in some industry, look out there. The opportunity is everywhere. Step number 2. Now, my friend, is the amazing part. You can use AI to deploy these applications very fast. Now let's see what you can use. First, you can use GitHub models. Now in GitHub models, you can compare dozens of AI. You can train them. You can do everything in the playground and even get the code for it. You can compare multiple AIs and develop the entire application without having to write the code. And then you can use tools like Bolt, where you can develop entire mobile application, entire full stack applications without needing the ability to code. Similarly, there are a lot of other tools like ChatGPT, Canvas, Lovable. Now combine step 1, identify the opportunity, talk to the biggest person in the market, combine both the points together in form of an AI, in form of an application, take the data, show analytics. That is it. Your product is ready. Step number 3, package and provide subscriptions to your product. Now you can develop multiple products for different market in your local city as a side hustle, where you do not even need to give a lot of support, because now you're providing only analytics to the owners, to the top executives, or to the business. And do you know, my friend, what's the number 1 reason for the startups to fail? The market validation. But here your market is already validated. You just need to bring them to AI, provide them the knowledge that they are looking for, and that's it. So people will pay you for the time that you are saving them, for the ease of use that you are providing to them. Now that is a $1 million opportunity, and anybody with a basic fundamental knowledge can do it. So in 2025, code is not the only thing that will help you stand out. Being a generalist is a superpower in 2025. Now you have 2 options. Either you do business, start creating microservices, micro softwares, provide it to your providers, or if you want to work out as a consultant like me or as an engineer, you should definitely check out my webinar page. And my friend, if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a like, sharing it with your friends, and I wish you and your family a very happy new year in advance. Until then, this is Rohan Girdani signing off.